Hey guys, inside this video I will show you how you can get instant access to this cool new product that I found. Keep on watching to find out how you can get access for free.
Are you having a difficult time due to your poor credit rating? Perhaps you're having trouble acquiring a loan for a house or a car, or you need to pay your credit so that you can borrow money in the future. When it comes to finding a good credit repair service, you need to make sure you are dealing with a professional agency that has the knowledge and experience to give you the help you need. At the Credit Pros, we've got you covered. Our team of passionate FICO certified credit restoration experts are more than qualified to discuss and address your credit concerns. Even if your credit is less than perfect, we'll help get you on track. You can do it, and we can help. Don't leave your credit to chance. Get it right with Credit Pros. Call us today at 1-855-396-4587 for a free credit repair consultation today.
Thanks for watching. Please follow the link in the description to get access to the product.